Hello, my billionaire family. Welcome back. Welcome back. So, my beautiful billionaire family, today Gele will be on this beautiful, nice one. So, I'm using my 3-line Owambe Ashoke. So, this process of Gele is so simple, guys. It's so easy. You just fold the edge of your Gele like that, an inch. Then you create pleats. Can create like 4 or 5 plates at the front. This is another method of creating plate. If you don't want to place your Gele on your head, then plate the plates. You can just plate the plate from your hand, then place it on your head. But I do prefer I should create the plate on my head. It's more easier for me than this process, but I just decided let me show you guys another process of creating plates. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. So the front there will be like V. The front will be like V. So that is what I'm doing. I'm adjusting it. I'm adjusting the plates. Your baby Joshua is here greeting you guys. As usual, is eating. As usual, is eating. So I'm still adjusting it like that. Make sure you adjust it very well. So the next thing I'll be bringing the other hand now on top of it. The ratio for this Gele is 80-20, and you can use 70-30 also. So anyone you feel like. So I'm just using office pin to pin it down there so that it will not remove if I start creating like ruffles there. So that is why I'm using office pin to pin it down there. So if you are using this your office pin, just need to be very careful not to hurt yourself. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So one thing about this Gele is that you can do any style you like. Just look at the way I'm doing mine now. Just like that. Just pack all the hand, then use office pen. The main thing is you really need office pen. You really need office pen for so the other hand like that. We're using office pen to hold it down there. Adjust it like so. Then the other hand, you can either leave it like this, or the other hand now can go back now and do another style also there. So I'm just adjusting it like that. Adjust. So do let me know if you have any question or if you have any Gele tutorial you want me to do. You can send it to me on my Instagram page. Please, so help your girl to grow on Instagram. Please help me to grow. Please, I really appreciate it. Please follow me on my Instagram page. Please, my people. God go bless you now. May na follow me, I beg. So that is it. So at Glam Beauty 30, my Instagram page is Glam Beauty 30 also. So please help your girl to grow. So that is it about the Gele. Do let me know what you think about this Gele. So that is it, guys. I love you guys. talk to you soon. Stay safe, stay blessed. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you guys, and I will talk to you in the next one. I will talk to you in the next one, guys. Please comment or like. Bye.